Good morning. Hi, this is Travis from the National Weather Service, and this is your weather hazard briefing for Thursday, August 29th. Looking at the current water vapor imagery, you can see the high pressure ridge that's over the Pacific Northwest. It will move east today. We have a trough here that's right off the coast that'll move through our area, and with this moisture, along with that trough, expect some isolated to widely scattered showers and thunderstorms, which I'll show you those areas most likely. Here's the NAM model showing that as well. You can see across the Pocatello area and then as well our southeast area. And I'll show you those areas in a minute. Again, here's our surface fronts diagram. And you can see the area that I was talking about was the eastern central mountains and Pocatello was right here, zone 476 for widely scattered, as well as zones 427 and 413 in the southeast and southern areas. Those will be the most likely to get to that widely scattered. It's a lot of uncertainty whether it will actually reach a scattered area. That's why we did not put out a red flag for those. I just need to monitor that. It will be mostly dry thunderstorms, very dry in the lower areas. So not expecting much moisture or precip with these thunderstorms today. Looking at our max temperatures, we are looking above normal, a little bit less than yesterday. We will be quite nice until later this afternoon. We'll start to get partly and mostly cloudy. The cloud cover will determine that temperature overall. Could be the upper 80s or just slightly higher depending on how much cloud cover. And you look at our min-RH, just critical areas near the Arco Desert. But does it improve over the other areas by, in general 3 to 5% over yesterday? We'll go over our wind gust here, a little bit breezy in our southern areas to start with, and then as we go into early evening behind that trough, you can see that it gets breezy, those critical values elsewhere, but those by that point the RHs by early evening do look to get a little bit better across the Arco Desert. And then you see as far as Friday is concerned, just a slight chance along the Island Park area for thunderstorms. Perhaps a little bit in the Central Mountains. There's a hint of it in the models, but for the most part, it will be mostly dry and clear behind that trough on Friday. Our max temperatures drop just slightly, maybe a degree or two behind that trough, and so there's a little bit cooler air. And then you see our min-RHs are slightly better. They're up 3 to 5% across the area. And then as far as our max RH, as far as our wind gust on Friday, you can see they are in those critical values, several of the areas. But like I said, the minimum RH does rise above critical values, so that's good. And then as we go into Saturday, you see high pressure, nice clear skies. We have high pressure ridging building on Saturday into Sunday. And you see our max temperatures do go back to above normal. Similar to what we see today. And then as you go to your min-RH, it does start to drop a little bit. Arco Desert's the main area. There's a couple other areas, some valleys that are approaching that critical, if not the critical values. And then you see into Sunday was our warmest day. Jumps quite a bit, around 5 degrees, 10 to 15 degrees above normal across the area. And then as you go into our min-RH, it does drop even another 3 to 5% across the area. Most of the areas are in that critical values come Sunday afternoon. And here's the model depiction as you go into Saturday into Sunday, the high pressure ridging and the southwest flow on Sunday. And then you see that next system kind of raises over edge late Monday into Tuesday. Model depictions on that vary depending on which model, but it does look like there's a trough move at times late Monday into Tuesday. And that concludes the brief. If you have any questions, give us a call at this number. Thank you.